Hi guys, so today I'm going to be going through a Padlet demonstration. So this is the home page of Padlet. So once you create a login, this is what it will bring you to. And then as you can see, I created a Padlet, which is essentially kind of a workspace where you can collaborate and illustrate ideas, concepts, even timelines, presentations, just creatively with, you could just do it yourself or you can invite others so you can all collaborate in real time and you can communicate with this as well. So as you can see, I'm going to open up the demonstration Padlet I made. And then I made a Padlet, which is, I chose a background as a library theme just because when I originally looked at Padlet, I've never used this before, but I thought, this would be a cool way of illustrating the attributes that the class does. So if I invited the class I could invite them on the right, I can add members, or I could just get a QR code or email my classmates, and it's even integrative with Google Classroom, so we could integrate through that. But once I share this with other members, everyone can post content on here. So you would go here, and then you could just, the subject of this, so this subject was, McCabe attribute number 2, and then the date and the time. You can either upload a file, take a photo, a link, a image search, or, any of these too. So it's really inclusive of what you can upload content-wise. And then you can just write a description as well. And once you do that, you just hit publish. So for example, McCabe test 15. And then if I want, I can do an image search. I can put a cool GIF, so like happy. Let's see, I'll do this bunny. And then caption, happy bunny, and then publish it. So it's going to go right here. And then I can also organize the format, so this attribute could be first, or this cute GIF could be first. And then, you could even open the content. So as you can see, this is an enlarged version of my attribute 2, and I can X out. So I thought it'd be cool, if, for example, we wanted to illustrate all of our attributes, we could just see the evolution of them. We could see what our classmates have done, because it'll just be like a library of attributes, or specific to adult learning, whatever course material, other, we can do our timelines even. So it's really just a great way to collaboratively, share creative concepts. And then, even a portfolio of work. So that's why I chose to do Padlet. Thank you all. I hope this was helpful and that you choose to use Padlet.